What's up, man? How y'all been doing? I'm just chilling. As y'all can see by the title, you know, as y'all can see by the title, that got this little whip for $100. Let me take my pictures of it so as y'all can see my $100 car. And yes, it does run, it does drive, it does have heating, it does have AC, you know. Does have good tires as well. As y'all can see, this is me taking my pictures, so y'all seeing all the angles. You know, get the little pictures. Getting all the pictures taken up out for there. You know, it does have a little damage to the door, but we ain't too worried about that. But we take that, we post that in the pictures. You know, can't take my spray bottle out of there, so picture right there. And you got some seat covers. It is running and it is driving. You know, you dig. You know, but we purchased this vehicle for $100. It's 99 or 2000 Nissan Altima. I bought it for $100. It was from ACV. It was no reserve. It runs and drives well. I mean, you can't beat it for $100. You know, I'll sell it. You know, 12, 13, 1400, whatever. If I sold it, even if I sell this for 500, it's a quick profit like that. I can be like, oh, you want to run the car for 500, but if I selling it for 500, then people just gonna assume that there's something wrong with it. Like, oh, what's wrong with it? Why is it only $500? Instead of just taking advantage of the deal. That's why you have to price it up there a little bit more. But I make a good running car. And so as y'all can see, my little running car, it does have a check engine, you know, does have a check engine light, a little bit over 240, like about 240 on the miles, but it's going to be a little cheap running car, you know. Like I said, it runs good, it's not like missing or anything like that. So whoever had it took good care of it. Headliner got like some little cigarette burns or something in here. I got the little mirror right here. It's at the lot. I just got to go put it on. I went to the salvage yard and picked one up. It was a couple bucks. It was like $3 or $4. So it's the only thing. Like I $3 or $4. Just spent $1 spraying it off. Got the oil change. So got about another. I'm gonna just say another $50 in it. So about $150 total. Sell it for like $1,200-$1,300 real quick. You know, even if I sell it for $1,000, you know, make a quick $800 to $1,000. Like I said, and everything where you can hear that. Hear how the vehicle change. That compressor kicking on. Now it's cycled off. But it's got the aux radio, so. And one of those guys, Kier, he asked about some financial advice. I mean, financial advice, I'm gonna just give everybody, you know, get you some life insurance on yourself, get you about 100,000, 250,000, and then, you know, just go live your life, man. Just go take as many vacations as you can. That's gonna be my advice. You know, just stack your money, put some life insurance on yourself. Take as many vacations as you can, because a lot of times, yeah, we spending all this money grinding and stuff like that. We're grinding, we're working, we're doing all this. We're making all this money just to give the money to somebody else. So best thing I could tell you, get some life insurance on yourself, you know, so you can pass that down to your kids. You know, get your 100,000, 250,000, you know, maybe $500,000 if you can afford it, you know. And other than that, you know, stack your money and just go take vacations, experience life. Because like I said, what's the reason you want to go make all this money? We're gonna make all this money just to give it to somebody else. You'll be making $200,000 for what? So you can be giving $200,000, you know, so you can be giving $2,000 a month to somebody, to this bank for your house. You know, so you can go spend a couple $1,000s on jewelry. So you're giving your money to somebody else. All we doing, you're going to be doing a lot of money. You're just going to be making more money just to give more money to somebody else. You're going to go buy a new car. You're just making the money to give it to somebody else. So why not just make the money, take some vacations, and, you know, have your life insurance and everything situation. So, you know, just keep grinding, taking many vacations, living your life, building all those experience, and then, you know, you pass away of old age. Hey, there you go. You got a $250,000, $500,000, you know, $250,000, $500,000 in insurance, and whatever money, other money that you did was able to save with that, you pass that down, you know, and then that's it. You know, that's it, because we're living, but you know, who wants to just keep grinding for what? Keep grinding so you can pay your rent. You know, keep grinding, pay your cell phone bill. Keep grinding, you know, you don't want to just keep grinding to give your money away to other people, because that's really what it is. You're just grinding. The more money you make, the more money you're just going to be giving away to somebody else. So why not just enjoy it? Vacation. That's the advice. Vacations. Take vacations. Build the experience. Vacation with your girlfriend, your kids, your family. You know, that stuff. The money is just money. You're gonna make it, and like I said, you're gonna make it and just give it to somebody else. That's it. You're gonna just make it and give it exactly to somebody else. But I appreciate everybody for stopping in. I'll drop some videos and some live streams if y'all wanna. If y'all got any questions, just stop through the live streams when I'm streaming and just answer questions there. Other than that, I'm out. Peace.